Your steering wheel gets touched more than any other surface in your car, and most people clean it with whatever's nearby. The wrong product dries out leather, leaves plastic slippery, or strips the finish entirely. I tested 7 steering wheel cleaners from Amazon on both leather and plastic to find what's actually safe. Here's the ranking. The first on the list is the Chemical Guys Colorless and Odorless Leather Cleaner. This pH-balanced formula is specifically formulated for leather steering wheels across all leather types. The cleaner lifts away dirt, oils, and embedded grime without damaging delicate finishes. It is safe for natural, synthetic, faux, and pleather materials on your wheel and throughout your interior. However, the colorless formula requires careful application to avoid oversaturating leather surfaces. For owners maintaining leather steering wheels, the Chemical Guys Colorless Cleaner is a professional choice. At number 2, we have the Leather Honey Complete Leather Care Kit. This comprehensive package includes both cleaner and conditioner alongside 2 application cloths. The non-toxic formula is made in the USA since 1968 with proven performance. It restores couches, car seats, and steering wheels while protecting against future damage. However, the complete kit costs more than individual liquid bottles. For owners seeking comprehensive leather care with conditioning, the Leather Honey Kit is an investment choice. At number 3, we have the Adams Polishes Total Interior Cleaner and Protectant. This ceramic-infused formula works on leather, vinyl, plastics, and glass across your entire interior. The SiO2 protection provides lasting defense against dirt and contaminants. The anti-static formula prevents dust attraction on dashboard and steering wheel surfaces. However, ceramic-infused products may build up with repeated applications over time. For detailers seeking multi-surface protection with advanced chemistry, the Adams Polishes Cleaner is a technical choice. At number 4, we have the SONAX Upholstery and Alcantara Cleaner. This foaming cleaner handles both traditional upholstery and delicate Alcantara synthetic suede steering wheels. The formula removes stubborn stains from chocolate, ice cream, and other common interior contaminants. The odor neutralizer eliminates cigarette smoke and pet odors simultaneously. However, Alcantara requires gentle handling despite the formula's safety profile. For owners with specialty steering wheel materials, the SONAX cleaner is a specialized choice. At number 5, we have the 303 Products Leather 3-in-1 Complete Care. This rinse-free formula cleans, conditions, and protects finished leather and vinyl in one application. The spray application makes quick touch-ups convenient between detailed cleaning sessions. UV protection prevents fading and cracking from extended sun exposure. However, the rinse-free formula may leave residue on heavily soiled surfaces. For owners preferring convenient spray-on application with triple benefits, the 303 Leather Care is a practical choice. Coming up next, we have the Chemical Guys InnerClean Interior Quick Detailer. This multi-surface cleaner and protectant works across dashboards, door panels, seats, and steering wheels. The non-greasy formula removes dust, dirt, body oils, and fingerprints effectively. The tropical pineapple scent provides pleasant fragrance during and after application. However, the tropical scent may be overpowering in enclosed vehicles initially. For drivers preferring scented interior detailing products, the Chemical Guys InnerClean is a sensory choice. The last one on our list is the Meguiar's Gold Class Rich Leather Wipes. This 30-pack of pre-saturated wipes offers convenient cleaning and conditioning in a single format. The aloe-enriched formula prevents premature drying and cracking of leather surfaces. UV protection helps maintain leather color and prevents sun damage. However, pre-saturated wipes dry out if containers are not sealed completely between uses. For owners seeking quick leather steering wheel maintenance, the Meguiar's Gold Class Wipes is a convenient choice. If you found this guide helpful, please hit that subscribe button and check the links below for the best current deals on all of these products. Thanks for watching.